I want to see Max versus Ilya next. Fuck, that'd be sick, bro. That'd be a big fight. Ilya coming off that crazy knockout, Max coming off that crazy knockout. That would be, Max Ilya, bro. Sign me up.
Semua orang sepakat bahwa suatu pertarungan akan sangat dinantikan jika mempertemukan yang terbaik melawan yang terbaik. Dan itulah yang terjadi seusai pertarungan besar antara Ilia Topuria versus Max Holloway diumumkan.
It's UFC 308, the main event. Undefeated lightweight champ Ilia Topuria looks to make his first title defense against the legend and BMF Max Holloway.
Setelah Ilia Topuria mengejutkan dunia dengan meng-KO salah satu fighter kelas bulu terbaik UFC secara fantastis. Serta kemenangan spektakuler Max Holloway atas Justin Gaethje untuk menunjukkan bahwa dirinya adalah sang BMF sejati. Pertarungan antara Ilia Topuria dan Max Holloway kini menjadi salah satu yang paling dinanti dalam dunia MMA, terutama dalam divisi kelas bulu UFC. Duel ini menghadirkan dua fighter dengan gaya dan pengalaman yang sangat berbeda, akan tak kepercayaan diri yang luar biasa.
All I gotta say, I'm him, guys. There's the El Matador. He is running away from Abu at 145. Tell him sign the gun contract.
I never run from you, never ever. I had you name in my contract, and trust me, it's gonna be a hard night for you.
El Matador, Ilia Topuria, salah satu bintang baru yang paling menjanjikan di UFC. Fighter berdarah campuran Georgia Spanyol ini telah menunjukkan kemampuan luar biasa di dalam oktagon. Sejak bergabung dengan UFC pada tahun 2020, Topuria telah membuat dampak besar dengan gaya bertarungnya yang agresif serta komprehensif. Topuria dikenal sebagai petarung yang memiliki kemampuan grappling yang sangat kuat. Ia memiliki latar belakang yang solid dalam gulat Greco-Roman serta Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Namun tidak hanya itu. Yang membuatnya semakin berbahaya adalah kemampuan strikingnya yang terus berkembang.
He did a lot of wrestling. He's a very complete fighter.
Yeah, he's very good, bro. He's very good.
Very good. And his fucking boxing, man. His boxing is terrifying.
Dengan pukulan yang tajam dan tendangan yang presisi, Topuria mampu mengakhiri pertarungan baik di ground maupun dalam posisi stand up, baik submission maupun knockout. Sepanjang 15 pertarungan yang pernah ia jalani, ia belum pernah menerima satupun kekalahan. 8 kemenangan ia peroleh melalui submission, 5 kemenangan melalui KO, dan hanya 2 yang ia peroleh melalui kemenangan angka.
Fighting with me, it's gonna be like completely different because I don't make any step backs. You know, all the time I walk forward. I can wrestle. I can go to the ground. I can punch you, and I move. I go inside that cage with that strategy. You know, I don't go there just to throw some punches. You know.
Di usianya yang masih muda, Topuria telah mencatatkan kemenangan atas beberapa petarung terkenal seperti Ryan Hall, Jay Herbert, Bryce Mitchell, dan Josh Emmett. Dan yang paling penting, kemenangan knockout saat menghadapi salah satu petarung terbaik di kelas bulu UFC, Alexander Volkanovski. Meskipun karir UFC-nya masih relatif singkat, dia telah mencapai puncak divisi kelas bulu. Namun ketangguhannya perlu diuji oleh sang veteran UFC, Max Blessed Holloway.
For sure, Max Holloway, he's the next. I know what's going to happen when we're going to share the octagon. I know that in reality he's not so good that people think he is. You just have to see his face, you know. He looks like he had an accident in a motorcycle without the helmet, you know.
Max Holloway, di sisi lain, adalah salah satu nama terbesar dalam sejarah divisi kelas bulu UFC. Holloway telah menjadi ikon dalam dunia MMA dengan prestasi yang luar biasa. Berbagai rekor telah ia raih, khususnya dalam divisi kelas bulu.
Max holds the record for most strikes landed, most featherweight wins, most featherweight finishes, and third longest UFC win streak at 13.
Sang mantan juara dunia kelas bulu UFC ini dikenal dengan gaya bertarung yang sangat dinamis dan tak kenal lelah. Holloway memulai karir UFC-nya pada tahun 2012, dan sejak itu menjadi salah satu petarung paling dihormati di dalam divisi ini. Dengan rekor yang mencakup kemenangan atas nama-nama besar seperti Jose Aldo, Frankie Edgar, Anthony Pettis, hingga Justin Gaethje, Max Holloway telah membuktikan bahwa dia adalah salah satu petarung terbaik di dalam generasinya.
Think about all the guys you fought, Max. I mean, you have fought the best of the best. You fought everybody. Except Makhachev, there's like everybody of your era you fought.
Dikenal dengan volume serangan yang tinggi, Holloway adalah petarung yang selalu maju dan memberikan tekanan tanpa henti kepada lawannya. Kemampuan strikingnya yang luar biasa dan stamina yang seakan tak ada habisnya membuatnya sangat sulit dikalahkan dalam pertarungan 5 ronde.
It's his cardio. His cardio is absolutely no joke, man. And not just that, but it's also his durability.
Meskipun Holloway telah kehilangan sabuk juara dunia kelas bulu dan mengalami beberapa kekalahan, dia tetap menjadi salah satu kontender teratas serta selalu menjadi magnet bagi para fans UFC. Terutama setelah mencetak salah satu knockout paling mengesankan dalam sejarah UFC untuk merangkuh gelar Baddest Motherfucker.
But that belt is a special belt. You know, it's a wild belt. It's like
wild.
It's wild. These are wild fight. I say to this day, and I do it based on my reaction. Obviously, this is personal. I say it's the greatest knockout of all time.
Setelah kemenangan tersebut, tentu saja kembali meraih gelar juara dunia di kelas bulu menjadi target utama.
You and Ilya would be crazy.
Brother, so much
Woo!
fun. So much fun, brother. I know.
Max, Jair, or Brian Ortega, all of them, I never gonna give them the chance to fight for the title.
Wow.
Never.
Like I said, there's an El Matador that's trying to run away from Abu.
What do you think he learned about you in this fight?
I think he learned that he don't want to fight me even more.
I never run from you. Never, ever. I had your name in my contract. And trust me, it's going to be a hard night for you.
His tone changed a lot, you know. He didn't want to fight. And now he's coming around finally, because I don't know what he was thinking of saying that we don't deserve the title shot.
Without the BMF belt, I don't want him at all. If not, I'm going to fight with Walt, who deserves more than him, the rematch. He got that belt. He has that bad motherfucker belt, so I'm excited to add that belt to my legacy too. UFC champion, the baddest motherfucker. What else?
Perdebatan kata-kata tolak balik antara Max Holloway dengan Ilia Topuria telah meramaikan jagat MMA. Namun kali ini hanya pembuktian yang bisa dinantikan. UFC 308. Pertarungan besar telah dijadwalkan.
What's up, everybody? I'm back with another fight announcement live from the Etihad Arena in Fight Island, Abu Dhabi. It's UFC 308, the main event. Undefeated lightweight champ Ilia Topuria looks to make his first title defense against the legend and BMF Max Holloway. Ilia is coming off a knockout win over Alex Volkanovski earlier this year. 13 of his 15 wins have come by finish, and his last 4 fights have earned him performance bonuses. He is the best combat sport athlete to come out of Spain, and his career is coming full circle because he made his UFC debut in Abu Dhabi. Max Holloway coming off one of the most incredible knockouts in history, defeating Justin Gaethje to win the BMF belt in the final second of their fight at UFC 300. Max holds the record for most strikes landed, most featherweight wins, most featherweight finishes, and third longest UFC.
MF yang didapatkan oleh Max Holloway rupanya membuat Topuria semakin bersemangat dalam mendapatkannya. Melihat kemenangan Holloway, Topuria mengaku tidak terkesan sama sekali.
I don't know. I didn't see any technique. I didn't see any strategy. I didn't see any power. I didn't see anything. You know, I didn't see any head movements. I just see a bar fight. You know, I didn't was impressed at all.
Dalam catatan rekor pertarungan, Topuria mengandaskan Alexander Volkanovski hanya dalam 2 ronde. Volkanovski seperti yang telah diketahui mengalahkan Max Holloway sebanyak 3 kali. Apakah hal ini dapat diartikan bahwa kemampuan Topuria berada di atas Max Holloway?
I'm like, brother, this is not how it works. I lost to Dustin. Dustin just got knocked out from Justin. And what? Now can I say I beat Dustin now? No, this is like, yeah, you know, styles make fights.
Pertarungan antara Topuria dan Holloway menawarkan kontras yang menarik dalam hal gaya bertarung. Topuria adalah petarung yang lebih muda dan lebih segar dengan keterampilan yang sangat komprehensif. Dia mampu bermain di atas maupun di bawah yang membuatnya menjadi ancaman di berbagai wilayah. Grappling adalah senjata utamanya. Akan tetapi, dalam beberapa pertandingan terakhir, kemampuan strikinglah yang membuatnya berjaya.
Yeah. Ilia Topuria, whatever, he's fucking tight.
He's dangerous.
He's tight. That shit is tight.
Everything is so sharp. His technique is flawless. Everything's flawless. His boxing is so dangerous. He's so dangerous everywhere. He's dangerous with submissions. He's dangerous with kicking. He's dangerous. His heart is dangerous. Just tactically, he's so smart. You know, so it's not just his ability, his skill. It's knowing when to apply it and how to adjust to different kinds of fighters. Topuria is terrifying. Terrifying.
Di sisi lain, Holloway adalah veteran yang telah berhadapan dengan berbagai jenis petarung. Gaya bertarungnya yang berbasis pada striking volume tinggi adalah yang terbaik di UFC. Dia jarang mencari penyelesaian cepat, lebih sering memilih untuk menghancurkan lawannya melalui serangan terus-menerus. Kardio, durability, pengalaman, serta kemampuan boxingnya tidak diragukan lagi.
According to what I saw, guys, throws a jab, he uses his reach, he takes chances. He is the best boxer in MMA. His cardio is absolutely no joke, man. And not just that, but it's also his durability. And going 5 rounds for him is nothing.
Ilia Topuria dengan penuh kepercayaan diri meyakini bahwa dirinya akan mengalahkan Max Holloway dengan begitu mudahnya.
I know that I'm way better than him everywhere. I can do with him whatever I want to do. I just can ask him, like, how you want me to finish it? You want me to knock you out? You want me to submit you? What you want me to do?
Akan tetapi, tentunya tidak akan semudah itu. Banyak yang beranggapan bahwa performa Max Holloway sudah menurun dengan banyaknya kekalahan yang ia alami. Tapi pada kenyataannya, dia justru berada dalam masa primanya.
If a fighter gets a loss or two, they start to think that fighter has started to decline. And with you, I think some people had written you off for some strange reason. Listen, he's only 32.
Yeah.
Right? 32, right?
Yeah, exactly.
He's only 32. That's athletic prime. I'm like, there's no beatings. There's no knockouts. There's there's no decline in the expression of skills inside the octagon. Everything looks the same and better every fight.
Dan satu hal yang perlu digarisbawahi, Max Holloway memiliki salah satu dagu terkuat bagi seorang fighter.
I've already made this public a couple of times. I think Max wins. Right. I'd pick Max to win. That's no disrespect to Ilia. Ilia's a great fighter. Dangerous guy, obviously a powerful puncher, but we know Max's chin is quite the elite chin.
Yeah,
like, you know what I mean?
It is legendary.
And again, if you're just banking on that KO power, like, you better hope you get it. But that's going to be hard on someone like Max.
Pertarungan ini adalah salah satu yang sangat sulit diprediksi karena kedua fighter memiliki senjata yang berbeda. Jika Topuria mampu membawa Holloway ke ground dan mendominasi dengan grapplingnya, dia bisa memenangkan pertarungan melalui submission atau keputusan juri. Namun, jika Holloway mampu menjaga pertarungan tetap pada posisi stand up dan mengendalikan tempo pertarungan, dia bisa memenangkan pertarungan melalui keputusan juri atau bahkan TKO di ronde-ronde terakhir. Satu hal yang pasti, pertarungan ini akan menjadi salah satu yang paling dinanti di tahun ini. Apapun hasilnya, pertarungan ini dipastikan akan menawarkan hiburan tingkat tinggi dengan keterampilan bertarung yang luar biasa dari kedua fighter. Penggemar MMA tentu tidak akan mau melewatkan duel satu ini yang berpotensi menjadi salah satu pertarungan terbaik dalam sejarah divisi kelas bulu UFC.
They are going to fight. It is going to happen. Topuria Holloway. I can't wait.